Do you know? White color is a combination of 7 rainbow colors. Do you know? The water we drink is alkaline or acidic. Do you know? The weight of the same object differs based on gravity. Do you know? What is important for a seed to sprout? Science is not just a study. It has to happen in students' minds. Thousands of primary science teachers are facing 4 big challenges: defining science, their understanding of science, their students' understanding of science, and finding the time to make science happens in the classroom. Hello parents, do you want your kids to become grassroots innovators, science-minded kid, and an agro-brainer? If yes, then the study surely begins at home. When kids grow up in science-friendly homes, they are encouraged to ask questions, critical thinking, experiment, explain their reasoning, read, write, create models, and watch science programs on TV. But what are the best activities and resources? And what about school? What do studies suggest about the best and worst ways to teach science in the classroom? Now let's see what are all the other important childhood needs for your kids. Good hobby, improve concentration, caring personality, understand nature and environment, continuous learning skills, regular exercise, multitasking, discipline, celebrate success, fulfillment, joy, team working. How are you going to teach all these skills at home? iLearntion successfully created and executes the concept of practicing science at home. We have surveyed more than 1,000 students and parents. Both of them are enjoyed it and we got excellent feedback. We have designed this course in very scientifically. How long it takes to build a new habit? The truth is that it will probably take you anywhere from 2 months to 8 months to build a new behavior into your life. The course is designed for class 2nd to class 8 students. Every week your kid will do 1 science experiment at home. So, 52 science experiments per year. If a kid joins this program in class 2, then 52 by 7 years, that is 364 experiment that kid will complete. We strongly recommend if a kid completes 50 experiments, by default kids will become a science kid. This ignites the mind of the kid to do grassroots innovation and thus helps kids to become a junior scientists. Benefits of attending the class. 1. Became member of iLearntion's Junior Science Club. 2. Weekly 1 science experiments learning and practice through the iLearn learning management platform. Kids can attend class on his/her leisure time. No other regular schedule of kids will not get affected. 3. Weekly 30 minutes lived out clearing session with expert faculty. 4. Students will get notification and newsletter of all science-related events, competition. 5. Based on a student's involvement, answering the quiz, submitting the experiment assignment on time, students will be selected to Silver, Gold, and Platinum Club and notified to their schools. 6. Any students comes across with creative science ideas or concepts, the same will be forwarded to Grassroot Innovation Group of India. Best wishes to you and your kids. Thanks for watching this video. Trust us, this will change your child way of approaching science and ignite your child mind.